Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best lender for small Amazon businesses. If you're an Amazon seller, you already know that cash flow can be tight, especially when you need to purchase inventory to keep up with demand. I've been there. When I first started scaling my own small Amazon business, figuring out financing was a huge hurdle. I needed capital fast, but traditional banks were slow and really didn't understand the e-commerce model. After a lot of research and a little bit of trial and error, I found there are two main categories of lenders that truly understand small Amazon sellers: Amazon lending itself and fintech lenders. Let's start with Amazon lending. This is an invite-only program, which sounds exclusive, but if you're consistently selling with good metrics, you'll likely get an offer in your Seller Central dashboard. The huge benefit here is convenience. The application is fast, they already have all your sales data, and the funds can be in your account quickly. The rates I've seen offered are often competitive, and they offer options like term loans or a line of credit. The biggest drawback? It's invitation only, and sometimes the terms can be short, meaning higher monthly payments. Now, my personal experience led me to explore fintech lenders, companies specializing in e-commerce financing like Payability or sellers funding. These are often a fantastic alternative, especially if you haven't received an Amazon offer or need more flexibility. What made fintech lenders work for me? Speed and simplicity. They base their approval on your actual sales performance, not just your personal credit score. This is key. I found their application processes to be incredibly fast, and they can often approve you for a line of credit or a lump sum advance in a matter of days. Their repayment models are often more flexible, sometimes taking a percentage of your daily or weekly sales, so the repayment adjusts if you have a slower sales month. It's revenue-based, which aligns perfectly with an Amazon FBA business model. Here's my final, straightforward advice. Check Amazon lending first. If you have an offer, compare their terms, the total cost, and the repayment schedule to a quote from one of the established fintech lenders. Don't just look at the interest rate. Look at the total cost of capital and how the repayment will impact your monthly cash flow. You need a lender that can move as fast as your business does. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.